Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM2662 in color code 612. The color of this frame is wine pink gold. On the temple here we have a gold MCM emblem. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the MCM logo in gold. The style of this frame is full rim rectangular. This also comes with an MCM case. And inside the case, we have an MCM microfiber cleaning cloth with the logo on it.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.